Welcome children to the Burhani Personal Tuition Basic Grammar Train. In this video we will learn about articles. So first I will tell you what are articles. So articles are three words: a, n and the. Okay? The words a, n and the are called articles. Now demonstrative adjective or point out people or thing. In the adjective part we have learned that the thing which point out a noun are called demonstrative adjective. The same work is done by a article. That's why they are also called demonstrative adjective. They are used to point out a thing and a person. Now we will divide article in two parts. An are indefinite article used with a singular noun, and the is a definite, means saying perfect one thing, particular thing. A and N are indefinite. Suppose one example is bring a chair. A chair means any chair, plastic, wood. Okay, it is not saying particular which chair. That's why it is indefinite, not knowing the perfect thing. While the is called definite. Bring the chair laying near the window. You bring that chair only which is laying near the window, not any other chair. Okay, so article a and the article a and an are called indefinite because they perfectly are not saying which thing. Give me a pen means any pen, ball pen, gel pen. Give me that pen laying on the table means only that pen laying on a table. Okay. Now vowels and consonants. So English language contains 26 alphabets. Out of that 26 alphabet, A, E, I, O and U, 5 sounds are called vowel sounds. And if words is starting with a vowel sound, then before that word use N. And excluding the 5 vowel sounds, the remaining alphabets are called consonants. So if a word starts with a consonant, then use A before that words. For example here, vowel A, E, I, O, U and consonant A. A and A-N used before a singular countable nouns. Keep this thing in mind. A and A-N shows singularity. For example over here, a boy means one boy. A tree means one tree. A shop means one shop. Okay, boy, tree and S. All three words starts with a consonant sound. That's why it contains A before it. An egg, E. An ox, an umbrella means one ox, one umbrella and one egg. All three words E, O and U start with a vowel sound. That's why contains N before it, before them. Okay, so A, N and the are three articles. N are called indefinite because they are not particularly saying which thing, which not particular point of which thing, and the is called a definite article. A and N used before a countable singular nouns. Okay, now we learn about each article. Now A is used before a consonant sound, AN is used before a vowel sound. We learn about A, N and the in detail. Okay, one by one. Now we learn about first indefinite articles A and AN. So again I am saying English alphabet contains 26 letters. Okay, out of which A, E, I, O and U are called vowel and remaining are called consonant sound. Now A and An are always used with a singular countable nouns. Now if a singular countable noun starts with a consonant sound, then use A before it, and if singular countable noun starts with a vowel sound, then use An. Okay, see over here. A used with a singular countable noun starting with consonant sound. For example here, a man starting with M, a flower, a cow. Now some exception is this with rule. Okay, what is the rule? Case word we should start with a consonant sound. Now you will say, hey, university start with a vowel. Then in spite of why you have written A, U. Listen, U, Y double O. It is a consonant voice. European. Though it starts with a vowel, but if you pronounce it, it pronounces as a consonant. So when though word starts with a vowel, but if it pronunciation is a consonant sound, then at that time use A before it. Okay. Then N. N is used with a singular countable noun starting with a vowel sound. For example, end. A is a vowel. an X, and an apple. Now, if a word contains silent H, then before that word use an hour, an honest, an honorable man. Though it starts with a consonant, but its voice pronunciation is of O, which is a vowel. So that's why we have to use an before the silent, that word containing silent H. The rule is very easy. If word starts with a consonant sound or contain consonant sound, then put A. Though it starts with vowel. And if word start with a vowel sound or vowel sound, though it contains consonant, put an. Now after learning about an, we will learn about where to use the. Now we will learn where to use the. What particular? Particular means saying the perfect thing. You have learned that the is a definite article. So over here, close the window on your left. The window, which window? Which is on your left. Particularly saying not any other window, that window which is on the left. Then the is used with superlative form of adjective. The most intelligent, the best. Then with words like first, last, the last, the next, and only, the is used. Then fourth rule, with unique thing. Unique means of one kind only. Okay. For example, our Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. Sun. Unique thing means of one only, not having another second thing like it, or you can say same thing like it. For example, Earth, Moon, and Sky carries the before it. Now we will discuss some name with whom the you have to use. With the names of river, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the seas, the Arabian Sea, the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, mountain ranges, the Himalaya, the Aravalli, the Andes, holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Holy Quran, the Holy Bible, trains, the Sabarmati Express, ships, the cruise, the Titanic, aeroplane, okay, the airline of India. The names of country which is used include a common noun, the UK and the USA. Then name of a newspaper, the Divya Bhaskar, the Gujarat Samachar, well-known building, for example, the Burj Khalifa. Okay. So the is used before the name of the given thing. Now we will learn where not to use the article, or you can say omission of article. Now we will learn where to omit the use of article. The first rule, no article is used with proper noun. See over here example. Asoka was a kind word. We have not used Asoka, the Asoka. Asoka is the name of one particular king only. But we have omitted the use of article. Don't use article with proper noun. Second, no article is used with abstract noun. Okay. With abstract noun only, no need of using a article. For here, beauty pleases our eyes. Beauty is abstract noun. We haven't used any article before it. Third rule, materials nouns. Also not to use article with material noun. For example, gold, silver, water. For example, gold is an expensive metal. Here gold is a material noun. We haven't used article before it. So for proper abstract and material noun, don't use article. So in this video we learn about article a and the and their usage with the example. I hope that this video will help you to learn about the article. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel Purhani Personal Tuition Basic Grammar Train. Thank you for watching the video.